fresh delivery has arrived amongst our charging and testing phases. So let's open it up, see what's inside. More batteries. More batteries. Comes in a nice case. I like that. I wonder if these are more. These are more 26650s. So these are IMR 26650A as an alpha. A as an alpha. So these are some more cells for more torches and flashlights. So let's check these out on a generic search for 2650s, A's. So here's a generic search on eBay for two pieces, 3.7 volts of 5,000 milliamp hours, 26650-A or 26650 alpha, flat top, high capacity, lithium-ion rechargeable battery, new, set of two at $16.59. The eBay seller here is loyal_1902. Free standard shipping from Dayton, New Jersey. And all the other generic eBay stuff. So hopefully these are genuine INR or IMRs. We'll find out with a capacity check on the next video or included with this video. So there is some discrepancies between the so-called claim 5,000 milliamp hours and this here. So hopefully this is a typo. Hopefully it's not the 3,400 milliamp hours. That is a real 5,000 milliamp hours, but you never know. So the only way to tell is to test. So that's it for this little segment. We'll go back to the video already in progress. So there you go. Just another general search for 26650s. See if these are legit 5,000 milliamp hours or 5 amp hours. We will find out in a future video. Let's see if these are legit or not, because currently the eFests, is that what they are? Yeah, eFests are under a current scrutiny test. See if they are true 5 amp hours. These will go under the same test in a separate video. Or maybe I'll include it with this one. That's probably what I'll do, is include it with this one. So for a brief overview, I got these for testing and potentially playing with future flashlights and torches. Use them terms intermediately. See if I can play with them, or can't do anything with them. But that's that for this little show and tell. So we'll see you on the next segment. So now I have a fully charged IMR 26650 alpha. Now it's time to see what the rating is. If it really is a 5 amp hour or 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Because you never know. It could be a China knockoff. So I have my electronic load here. And it's time to clear the previous test data. And we're going to discharge from 4.2 volts to 2.8 volts at 1 amp. And we'll see what the capacity is. So we'll hook up the terminals here. And we'll start the test. And we'll come back when the test is done. So these so-called eBay IMR or INR 26650 alphas have just come off the chargers. They've both been charged, they've both been discharged, and they're about the same within about 200 milliamp hours. So here is the result of these, and they're not that impressive. So 2,500 milliamp hours, and the other one tested at about 27. So that's a far cry from 5,000 milliamp hours, and they're kind of light compared to like an E-Fest. So some YouTubers like to weigh them too, and we're going to do the same here. So we're going to weigh them. So we'll get the scale out. Let's get the scale on and test out. So we'll weigh these E-Fests. These E-Fests are the IMR 26650s, and these are 5 amp hours. So these come in at 96 grams. And these wannabes come in at 76 grams. So that's quite a difference between the two of them. So there you go. These are probably only 2,500 milliamp hours. They're probably one of them situations where they take the covers off and they put their own on, or they're salvaged or something like that. Who the hell knows with eBay crap? So unfortunately, Amazon don't sell 26650s. So you're kind of stuck with eBay stuff, and it ain't worth shipping them back with all the other crap with eBay crap. So it's not a total loss. They're okay for experiments and crap like that. So we'll keep the search on. So if you're looking for good batteries, these E-Fest are the way to go. And my previous video where I showed the eBay site, I think it was the eBay site where I bought these. That's a legitimate seller. He's got the good stuff. These ain't counterfeit. They're not China Pride, and they're going to do the real thing. So 96 grams compared to 74 grams. There you go. There's not much else to say. So if you need good batteries, get the purple ones. So that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.